Hey guys, it's me Marty and welcome back to First Impression Fridays here on Diamonds and Denim. How are you guys doing? Hopefully better than me. It's been a rough one for me. But I'm finally back with the April, my birth month, to review for y'all today, which is this one. It is called Fresh Spring Beauty. So I don't know what lemons have to do with that. I guess they taste fresh. I don't know. So this is the bag itself, and here's the products. I'm gonna go through the products with y'all before I send y'all to the actual test out. A Nomad eyeshadow, the Tarte Base Tape Primer, a delectable body butter cream and triple citrus blend, a berry and juice vegan lip gel eyeliner, lip gloss. Last but certainly not least, the Ofra highlighter in the shade Rodeo Drive, which I've been looking for forever. So if you want to see how I got this look right here using the Ipsy bag products, you can just stay tuned and keep on watching. Or if you want to know what I think about them, because I went through each one of them item by item and decided if I were giving a diamond to them individually, would I give a diamond or not. So you can just keep on watching. We're going to check that out. Thank you. First thing we have on the agenda is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydration Primer. So for those of y'all who are not familiar with the Shape Tape line, I have a foundation from them. Ipsy actually sent me a concealer from them, so I'm kind of excited to see how the whole Shape Tape line plays together. So I'm going to use the Shape Tape foundation and concealer today, just because, like I said, I'm interested to see how they all work together. So let me show you the packaging. If you did remember the packaging from the other ones, they all have in common. If you remember the one, I'll link it below, that I got the concealer in, and also the First Impression Friday for the foundation. I'll link those two below, but the whole line has this beautiful top, this blue with the gold trim, which again, y'all know how I am with that. I like extra things. So let me give a shout out to Ipsy too. The fact that y'all are sending Tarte Shape Tape stuff out, that's a big deal for a subscription service. We ain't talking, no offense to any other brand, but we're not talking no little, NYX or, I don't know, Revlon or like Pacifica. We're not sending any of that junk here this year. We're sending this month. We're sending out Tarte Base Tape Primer. I'm so excited. I actually wanted to buy this, so I'm excited to try it. Ipsy bag sample, they gave 0.33 fluid ounces, 10 milliliters. Made in Korea, distributed, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so the Base Tape line came with it's a little bit controversial because the first thing, everyone loved the Shape Tape foundation, Shape Tape concealer that I have. People were wishy-washy about the Shape Tape foundation only because there was an issue with shade range. And then this primer, I haven't heard anybody actually review it, so I'm excited to try it. Tarte usually doesn't let me down. So here we go. After taking the cap off, it's got one of those little pointed angles, like you could like put it straight on you. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna use my finger because it is a hydrating primer too, which y'all know I love, because if you have a dry face, you might as well not even bother putting makeup on, because it's just gonna sit on top of those flakes and on top of that dryness, so you don't want to do that. Okay, so right off the bat, this stuff is super duper liquidy. It reminds me kind of my favorite primer of all time, which is the Too Faced Hangover RX. Liquidy, and it just putting it on my skin already, my skin feels better. I had on just a spray to kind of get my skin, like a vitamin spray. And I did my brows, primed my eyes, all that stuff, but I hadn't primed my face yet. So I just washed it a little while ago when I got home, because it's actually late. Like, I'm doing this here, but it's because I'm going out later, and I've been waiting forever to do this, so I wanted to make sure that I did it tonight, because I'm going somewhere, and I wanted to make sure I look cute and everything, so I was like, why not do the stuff tonight? I like the smell of this. I like the smell. It's fresh. It's very lightweight. It's not very heavy, and I was kind of concerned because Tarte sometimes can get pretty heavy. I now have a halo around my brows because I didn't put my foundation on yet. Y'all know how that is, but if you don't know, just give me a second. That's just the IT brow lift. Because I've been so sick lately, I need as much help as I can trying to make myself look decent. That's actually why I'm just posting this now. But I'm going to talk about it in I'm thinking about calling it Sippin' Saturday, or just to update, get ready with me this weekend. Well, I really want to talk to y'all and let y'all know exactly why. I am just doing the April Glam Bag now, and it's like, halfway through May. So anyway, so that is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. So far, I like it. Let's see what the makeup has to say, though. All right, people. So next, from the April Ipsy bag, I have a Nomad Intense Eyeshadow. Color Soak Golden Shimmer Eyeshadow with extra fine pigments infused with coconut oil to help hydrate skin for lush, vibrant color, free of parabens and mineral oil. They call this Intense Eyeshadow. So I want to show you the packaging first. Now, Nomad sent a couple things. We got, I think, a highlighter. We got a cool little pink powder set. Like, it was all over powder, but it was pink. So it was kind of cool. And so today we have Nomad Antilles eyeshadow in Champagne Reef. That's a pretty name, right? So Champagne Reef. We got our little palm trees on it. And I know that's near and dear to my heart since I love the beach so much. Around it we got coconut drinks. We got flamingos. We got hibiscus flowers blooming all over the place. So I think we know what the theme is. And it's a theme that I am always head over heels for. If I ever get married, I think my theme is going to have something to do with weddings. So after opening the box, it's just a plain box, not mad at it. But I will say this because I said about the last Nomad piece I got. Their little compacts are to die for. The little mineral, the little, what's the word, sample packaging they give. I like when a company is this into their packaging that even though it's a tiny little sample, even though we're talking 0.05 ounces, you're going to see what we got in this one sample. Because, again, as I complained about, ooh, look at the inside, y'all. Oh, that's a gold for real. That's a gold for the gods gold. Like when Hercules, have you ever seen the Hercules cartoon? When Megara went to get the string, they had to break the string, and there was the string, they would cut it if you were mortal and you die. And she went to cut his, and it turned gold. It's Hercules gold right there, baby. That is Hercules gold. So much for me growing up. I'm still talking about Hercules. But as I was saying, I said this last time because of MAC, because I hated the packaging MAC gave. It was so flimsy. It did not really live up to MAC to me. So I respect Nomad for giving me everything just in a sample so that I know what they are about. Because if I never buy another Nomad product or if I've never seen one before, I know that they're about that life. Now, there is no mirror. And the top is a little compact. But I mean, really, what would you do with a mirror that small? So I get it. So let's check out this 24 karat. I'm going to swatch it real fast. Let y'all see how much ooh, this is their swatch on my finger. I mean, y'all, really? Compared to last month's Alien Love Child, and the March Alien Love Child, this swatch is like, I mean, compared to most of my stuff. Oof. Okay, so I would put them in the likes of, as far as pigmentation is concerned, I'd put them in the likes of Ofra, maybe some of the Too Faced, a lot of the Urban Decays. I don't know what to do with this. It's so bright. I don't know where to put it on my eye. Like, look how pretty. Okay, let me put it in the corner of my eye. Like, I want to do just a little pop of color right here in the corner. Let me grab a different brush because this one is too wide. The Vasanti brush, since it's nice and pointed, because I do want to stick it right here in the corner of my eye. Again, I wasn't planning to. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with it. But it's so pigmented, I feel like that's the only place that it's not going to look like too much. It would have been really good for my Cleopatra tutorial. All right. So let's see what it looks like as far as fallout is concerned. I'm just going to dip. Oh, my God, y'all. There's some fallout, but it literally, as I was turning it, it looked like I was, like, putting gold leaf on my brush. And, I mean, there's nothing wrong with that at all. Okay, let me put it here with y'all since you're following me on this eye. I know you see it. In the words of Ariana Grande, I know you see me. This is so beautiful. I wouldn't even stop at eyeshadow for this. I would highlight with this. I would do a lot of different things. I have a highlighter I need to try. That's the only reason I'm not doing it today. But, I mean, if you want a glowy gold Christian Dior commercial ad perfume, Christian Dior, J'adore Dior perfume ad gold, this would be it. That's, I mean, what Mardi Gras in March? Today, intense eyeshadow. They picked the right name for it. Really good, y'all. Really good. I'm not even mad at it. Can't get hate. Can't get mad. This is beautiful. I can talk about this next and very important product from the April Ipsy Glam Bag. So Ipsy, as if it were my birthday, it was my birthday, allowed me to choose a product to go in my April bag. So I was so surprised they even had this because it's such a good product. The Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive. I mean, y'all, this is my current favorite, which is an Ofra highlighter in Blissful. You can see how long I've had it. They changed the packaging. So this is Blissful. But the one I was always hearing about constantly when I first really got into makeup, like really got into makeup and started watching YouTubers and influencers and all that, the Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter was like everything. Everybody loved it. So let me show you why, because this is my favorite current highlighter. I think this one's going to probably replace it. So, let me show you why this is like the highlight on everyone's cheeks. This is a swatch, okay? I mean, now this highlighter, see it? I'm sorry flicking y'all off, my bad. So this is the highlighter. Now here's the thing with the Ofra highlighter. It's a great, beautiful, blinding highlight, but also it's almost, the formula's weird. It's almost like a cream. It's so, I don't know what they put in it, but man, Ofra highlighters are the bomb. And I was really scared with this one that it wouldn't live up to my Rodeo Drive highlighter. I mean, not Rodeo Drive, sorry, Blissful highlighter. So let's talk about it. I did do my lashes and my liner, my eyeshadow and all that while I was waiting for my bake to be done. So I'm gonna take this, again, my favorite highlighter brush. I didn't wet it, I didn't spray it, nothing. Let's just dip a little bit in here, dip, 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 and watch. If you can still see right now, you'll see how pretty this blinding highlight is. So I'm going to go where I always highlight because, like I said before, I picked this one myself and I knew that it was gonna look like this. It's so beautiful. Now this highlight, again, it's kind of a lot for like every day. Like I wouldn't wear it to work, which I'm out of because it's the summer. Ooh, ooh. But if you were going somewhere where you need to be subtle, I don't know if this is something I'd wear to church, okay? And some people would, and if you do, girl, get it, by all means. But for me, this is the kind of over-the-top highlight that I would wear, you know, if I was going somewhere where I'm over the top. Somewhere with this eyeshadow and these lashes. It's just, I love Ofra, y'all. Ofra, again, Ipsy, I have to say to Ipsy real quick. Thank y'all so much for that new feature of letting us pick something to try. That's awesome. I mean, like, if you're a manager Ipsy bag after they gave you the chance to pick it, the problem is not them, it's you. So anyway, I love this highlighter. I knew I was going to. I'm so glad I finally have it. I've been looking for this highlighter, like I said, for a long time. Okay, so I am dressed. My makeup is done. I have like 2 more things to add, and then we're going to go over the April Glam Bag. We're going to talk about it a little bit. So first thing I have is the Berry and Juice 100% vegan lip oil from Seraphine Botanicals Cosmetics. So, okay. Seraphine Botanicals, if y'all remember correctly, I've gotten a couple things from them. I got a blush from them. I got, everything they've sent me has been really good so far. So let's see, this is the the box itself. Down the lights a little bit so you can see it. This is the box. It says Berry and Juice. It's not a bad night with that time. I don't know what the deal is. So anyway, it's just got some flowers on it, reminding you that it's a botanical, that it's a vegan situation. On the top, they have share your pics with us, seraphinebotanicals.com. I have to remember to do that. And I like sharing the pics. I like the people who make the makeup to know what we're doing with the makeup. So I love to share pics of the makeup. Then we have on the side some ingredients. On the other side, not tested on animals. They got the little bunny rabbit. And then it says vegan, no mineral, no parabens, no phthalates, no gluten, with vitamin C, blackberry, raspberry extract, safflower and sunflower seed oils, and it's hypoallergenic. Anyway, so it says box printed with soy ink. Oh, that's cool. So basically, that veganism to a whole different level. The box is even printed with soy ink. Okay, so, ooh, okay. This is the box, this is the bottle. The bottle is very pretty. I mean, I can't tell you the last time I saw a bottle that struck me that much. It's so pretty. It almost looks like a, kind of reminds me of the Chanel boxes, the Chanel beauty boxes. Like, very, very pretty. So let's try that one out. Okay, so this is the gloss. I'm going to swatch it on my arm. I don't know how I'm going to wipe it off because I'm scared to go in the bathroom because that bug is in there. Oh, my goodness. Ooh, it tastes good. It tastes like berries. Okay, so this is the lip gloss. Just on its own. No lipstick under it. No liner, no nothing. This is just the lipstick itself. So, I mean, the lip gloss itself. It is so pretty. I mean, I really, really like it. It's not something I would have ever thought to buy. It's a kind of weird color in the tube, but I like the glitter in it. It almost has a lip gloss and a topper in it just because it's so glittering. I've been dyeing my hair. I dyed my hair the other day like jet black, like a blue black, so that there's no red in it. And a lot of lipsticks make me look either gothic or like Elvira. Like the red looks like, I don't know. I don't like it. It makes me look like a vampire. So since I've changed up my hair game, my lip game had to kind of change with it. And this one is really, really good. Now, I am wearing black tonight just because, again, I'm going out. I don't want to be there in a big white tee trying to rock out or whatever. But, so that's the lipstick. And like I said before, I really, really like it. It's pretty different for a lip gloss, actually. A lip gel is a good way to put it. It's not a gloss. It's not heavy like a gloss. It's really, really super light, so. And last, but certainly not least, in the Ipsy bag for April, my birth month again, is this, it's just a body butter cream. Triple Citrus Blend by Delectable. Now, I had a mint chocolate lotion from Delectable, like a personalized lotion, just like this, but it was green, and it was a little longer. That crap smells so good. Every time I'd wear it, people asked me what perfume I was wearing, and it wasn't even a perfume. It was literally this lotion, and it was so, so good. So I have high hopes for this one. Triple Citrus Blend. Supernatural Beauty. Let's see what it says here. Drench your body in a frothy cloud of decadent citrus butter whipped with rich shea butter and pure essential oils. This fluffy blend beauties and smooths from day to night with powerful antioxidants and the fresh squeeze of pure grapefruit, orange, and tangerine. So I like the bottle. I talked about this last week, but I really like that it's a bottle where you can put it standing up, like on your vanity or whatever. I can't do it because my hands are too skinny, but yeah, you saw. I did it for a second. Yay, proud of me. So that's the lotion. Let's see. Okay. So this is the texture of it. It's very light, like they said, whipped. It's not like a super heavy lotion. And when your company's named Delectable, you're not coming with no stinky stuff. I mean, you're called Delectable. Oof. This is really, really good on my hands, though, y'all. Really, really good. Like, I mean, the scent after a while might get on my nerve a little bit. It smells a tad bit old lady-ish. So it might get on my nerve a tad bit, but it's not super bad. So that's the Botanics. So let's go through each one of the products and we can decide if we're giving the April Ipsy Glam Bag as a whole a diamond or not. First, I need to show you on my shirt. Music equals life. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag for April. I don't remember what the theme was. There's something with some lemons here. Theme was Fresh Spring Beauty. Now in season, Fresh Spring Beauty. So, card that came with it. Hey there, Wildflower. We planted your Ipsy Glam Bag with all these seeds you need to bloom this month, like superfood-infused formulas, plant-based products, and juicy, rich hues. Head to ipsy.com/glambag for tutorials, videos, and tons more info on your 5 products. Here's our Ipsy Glam Bag with little painted lemons on it. I think it's cute. It's fun for summer. It's certainly not a bag I'd wear anywhere as a clutch or anything. I'm just going to be honest, I wouldn't. So the bag is cute. It's not ugly. It's not horrible, but it's not my steez to wear on a regular basis. So, you know. The bag included today, this month, the Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive again. I don't have to tell y'all how obsessed I am with it, but I will anyway. I'm obsessed with this stuff. It's so good. That's the highlight. It's still on. I mean, the highlight was almost too bright. I almost kind of wanted to tone it down for a little bit, but I love it so much. So this one I definitely like. If I were giving it a diamond individually, it would get a diamond. The Delectable Body Buttercream Triple Citrus Blend. I mean, it's a lotion, so I don't know if it would, I mean, it's hard to screw up a lotion unless it smells really, really bad or it's really, really watery. I don't know how you can mess up a lotion. It would be very, very hard. But this one was very soft. It really made my skin feel better because, like I said, I've been so sick and up and down. My skin's been tight, then it's not. Then it's tight, then it's not, so on and so forth. So, I mean, it's a diamond, I guess, if I have to give it a diamond. The Nomad Antilles Champagne Reef Intense Eyeshadow. I don't even have to get close to you to see it. It's right here in the corner of my eye, the tear duct. It's beautiful. I love this eyeshadow. Like even down to the fact that it's the swatches were so pretty. It's so pretty. It almost is not even something you want to wear on a regular basis. Like it's so beautiful. I love it. Again, I use it for pop of color in my tear duct because it's just so bright. Our third thing is the Berry and Juice Lip Gel. You see it on my lips right now. It's super duper hydrating. Like, it's just sitting on my lips. So nice. It'd be a really, really good, like, I'm just going out to get coffee or something run where your hair's in a bun and you got on a big oversized shirt, maybe a boyfriend shirt, and you have a little tiny bit of gloss on so people don't totally give you the walk of shame look. So I like it a lot. The first product I tried on today was the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. Now, again, as somebody that has used the Shape Tape Beauty, as somebody that has used the Shape Tape Foundation and the Shape Tape Foundation, the Shape Tape Concealer, I love this little base. It's really, really good. It's super moisturizing. I think all these things are good for the summer. And the fact that they're super moisturizing, there's nothing that's matte in there because, I mean, your skin's already dry in the summer. So I see that they were like, we good. Base Tape, primer from Tarte. So, all in all, if I had to give this April bag a grade, I would give it like a B+, which means they pass, which means they get a diamond. So for the April Ipsy Glam Bag, please look below to see how you can become an Ipsy yourself. I'll put the clip in there. Thank you so much. The link down at the bottom. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time here on Diamonds and Denim First Impression Fridays. Bye.